Hello, beautiful people. Hi, it is yours truly, Bougie Uncle, here with the first episode of Bougie Things, where I unbox some new packages that I got. I got 5 here that we'll go through, and I'll tell you if they are Bougie Uncle approved or not. I will also be answering a request for a recommendation that people have, so stay tuned for that. And for every episode, at least I'm going to try, we'll do a giveaway. So I'm going to give away something from this collection. Okay, so stay tuned to the end to understand how to enter. These are short episodes. I wanted to do something fun, easy, and give back to you all, my lovely community. I call you the Lit Fam, but if we want to change the name, let me know. Okay, before we get into it, I need to light a candle. The candle for today, what I'm lighting, is Midnight Cactus from Lafco. I've been obsessed. It's like a deserty, cedary, but sweet earth. I think it's a raspberry accord. Raspberry is kind of in right now. It's kind of in right now. Let me light it. I got that linked in the bio, so check it out. And I'm smelling real good today. Today I'm wearing a combo. I have on Guerlain's Pêche Mirage, the perfect peach skin scent, a little suede with the leather in there, and Amouage Guidance 46. I normally wear Guidance, the regular Guidance, but I wanted to amp it up a little bit with that frankincense. So think frankincense, peach combo. These are also linked down below. But let's get into the list for today and see what is Bougie Uncle approved. Okay, the first package we have, this is from the maker. I've been meaning to unbox this for a while, but I was traveling. Let me know if you want a Japan episode where I show you everything I got in Japan. But look at this gorgeous box. Look at that. Can you see? Everything at the maker is done very nicely. And in here we have 2 perfumes and the fragrance library. This is the full set of fragrances. We have in here Libertine, Fire Naked, Wild Stag, and Paradiso, and Lover, which is Warm Accords. I already have this, so I'm gonna put this in the giveaway. Thank you, the maker. I'm not putting the lovely box, that's for me, but okay, Naked is, what do we have in here? White Musk, Wet Wild Orris, rich and sultry. So think sexy skin scent. Let's spray it and see. Oh, it's a gorgeously airy orris ground. Oh, this is like a great wedding scent. This would be great wedding scent. People always ask me for wedding scents. And I was like, girl, I don't know. All I know is, smell good. I'm gonna keep that one for me. Is it Bougie Uncle approved? That's a yes for wedding. I don't think it's like nighttime sexy, sultry, boozy, but it's gorge. And then Fire. I have an extra Fire. This is vanilla, tobacco, juniper berry. Let's see what that's like. Oh, that is sexy. If you like a deep and sexy. Okay, out of the 2, Bougie Uncle approved would be, you have to pick one, would be Fire. But you can try it in here. Do they have it in here? They do. You can try it in the discovery set. I'll put that in the giveaway. So this is the first thing. Stay tuned how to enter. Thank you, the maker. I need to go to the Maker Hotel. Apparently it is gorgeous. It's in upstate New York and it looks really gorgeous. And there's this candle from them called Rose Room that you should try. It's like the best rose fragrance. And then there's the Writer candle, which is very crisp. They also have there the cafe candle, perfect coffee scent. So good. Next up, this is from the new Savant. The new Savant has so many great candles and they are now in Blue Mercury. This is cool. The new Mixed Feelings. Okay, wait, I've always loved Mixed Feelings. That's the one with the rice, right? Yeah, jasmine and rice still lead the way, but now they've added rose, lotus, and lychee. Some of y'all say lychee. It's lychee alongside them. It's a reminder that being in between is a place of wholeness because it celebrates her mixed race identity. From Ingrid. This is the box. Let's get into this, girl. I was introduced to this brand by the Fragrance Foundation, Linda. It smells floral, peaceful, and radiant, according to the package, and they've changed the look. Let me show you the old one. The old box had jasmine and rice on the cover. This one also has jasmine and rice, but it has this pink floral, which I guess is the roses. But what does it smell like, and how does it compare? It's definitely a rosier version of the first one. Oh, that's lovely. That is so gentle and elegant. Oh, I love. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Exact same plus rose. Yeah. I wonder why they did that. Why'd you do that? They took away, and they added the lychee. So it's a little juicier. They took away that kind of crisp cedarwood. This is deep and juicy. This might just be. This is very Bougie Uncle approved. Very Bougie Uncle approved. Yes, 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 yes. I'm not gonna give that away. That's one of one, baby. I'm gonna keep that one for myself. 3 more to go. Let's do Carolina Herrera, Bad Boy. Thank you so much for sending. Oh, I love these bottles. They're so fly. They're so intense too. What notes we got in here, boo? Talk to me. Talk to me, Carolina. It's an Eau de Parfum elixir. What notes we got? No insert? You guys. Well, let me spray it and see. I'm gonna spray it. Let me get a tester strip. All right, opened it up. Is the sound still working? It is. I'll spray it and then I'll let you know what I'm getting and then I'll double check. Okay. Oh, that's a good spritz too. Aromatic, woody tobacco. It's not boozy, maybe boozy tobacco. Let's see what we got. Let us see. This is very new. It just came out. It's a leather note. Leather, cedar, sage. Girl, I was all the way wrong. What are the people saying? Sage, I mean, in the fougere, you would get a sage. It's the leather, which I thought was tobacco. I mean, it's nice. I feel like it's very manly. But it's a little too deep. It's like ombre leather vibes. Y'all like it? Okay, I think it has a certain type of person. I may not be him. Because I'm not that deep. I'm more like, you know, I'm wearing Pesh Mirage today. You know what I'm saying? But I do love the other Carolinas that I have in my collection. This bottle is gorge, though. Y'all like that? Okay. And now, should I put that in the giveaway? Kind of want to keep it because it smells good, just not for me. But I got to put something in the giveaway, you know? Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put... I have 2 fires. I love the Maker, but I'm gonna put this in the giveaway. So the giveaway is the Maker combo so far. I don't need to hoard. I love the Maker. Okay, next up we have Amouage and then this amazing Jill Sander. So I'm gonna do this one first because it's one. And then we'll see. I love all things Amouage. Show me what you got, little mama. Show me what you got, little lady. This is Decision. Ooh, it's a cedarwood, vanilla patchouli, and then frankincense, which I love, which is, you know, core Amouage. And then pink pepper, bergamot, and cardamom. And it's by Quentin Biche, who is the perfumer. He's extraordinary. He's made so many hits. Supposed to be arresting and unavoidable. It is focused on its goal. Focus spelled with 2 S's? I thought focused had 1 S. Let me check. Huh. Who knew? Focused is spelled 2 ways. All my life. Oh my God. How gorgeous. How gorgeous is this bottle. Okay, this bottle is like a light gray, slightly translucent. And what does it smell like? I love like vanilla frankincense as a base. I mean, I'm wearing Amouage today. Ooh, that is deep. So it's resiny. It's resiny. That's because of the frankincense and the myrrh. And a deep sweetness, like a really deep vanilla. Not baked goods, but earthy molasses vanilla with the smokiness, but bright because of the juniper and citrus. This is a grown man fragrance. This is Bougie Uncle approved. Absolutely. Where am I wearing this? Where am I going? This is date night. This is Gorgina. I kind of want that on my skin. Let me find a patch. Oh, yeah. Yeah. It's giving royal, babe. It's giving royal. Now that is perfumery. Wow, guys. Oh, that is Bougie Uncle approved. Absolutely. Absolutely. Oh, yeah. I need to do a full Amouage video with my faves. That's what I need to do. A range review. I have the discovery set. It was so big, it was a little intimidating. I was like, I don't know how I'm gonna get through this, you know? But I'll do it. For you, my viewers. And at number 5, we have this Jill Sander package, which I've been so excited to look into. Thank you Jill Sander for sending. This is Olfactory Series 1, a collection of fragrances that fuse botany and technology with the house's iconic design codes. 6 minimalist unisex formulas in which the olfactory marks of aldehydes, which I love, cut across key natural ingredients, giving each and every fragrance unique shape and volume, created by the best technologies resonate between Mother Nature and human nature. Oh, I love that line. Whoever wrote that, give them a raise. Okay, I want to do a full separate TikTok video on this, but let's try one, and then we'll do a full range review. That's what we'll do on TikTok. Wow, this is gorge. Look at that. For those watching on Spotify, it's the full thing. Okay, I'm gonna go with the one called Earth. What do we have here? Ah, the bottles. Very nice, very nice. The people were designing, man. Let's see what we have in here. Let me spray. It sprays very nicely too. Oh, this is literal earth. It's like damp earth. It's like mossy. Think moss, like earth, like dirt accord, like foresty floor. But it has a brightness. I think it has a citrus up top. Like a touch of musk. I guess it's the aldehyde, like airiness. It's like almost like crystal clear. It's like earth, but crystal clear. It's like down and top. Oh, that's masterful. Okay, Jacinda, damn. Okay, let's see what we have in here, because this is quite heavenly. Girl, I was saying some stuff. Okay, we have, hello? Okay, it says clear cut, and I did say it's like crystal earth. I did say that. The notes, we have aldehydes, patchouli, that's giving that like deep earthiness, and now that I smell it, it is very patchouli. Oh, that is patchoules, girl. That's what I was thinking. But like wet, very wet. Like earthy. And then there's a rose note in there, which I missed, but it's delicious. It's like soil of a rose bush. Yeah. And green too. Oh, that's quite delicious. Okay, this is new. I haven't smelled anything like this. This is nice. This is what I like. Okay, human nature and Mother Nature. I can see you. I can see what you're saying to me right now. I like that. That one's Bougie Uncle approved. Go to TikTok where I'll do the full video, because I think it's a video on its own. I'm not giving any of those away just yet. So listen, sometimes you got to keep stuff for yourself. All right. So Bougie Uncle approved today was the Maker Naked. Is it called Naked? Amouage Decision, the new Savant, Jill Sander, the Carolina Herrera I love, but I wouldn't wear, but I know people who would love it. So that's that. Let me know which of those strikes you fancy. Let's get to the giveaway. But first, a recommendation. For today's Ask Bougie Uncle for a recommendation, the question is from Lil Moon Achi. They asked, some scents for non-binary folks, not unisex, but not dramatically or drastically leaning either. Fresh, but anchored. I actually think a skin scent that's good is one to try. And I would actually recommend Aura by Angelo. That's what I would recommend. Aura O2 specifically. It is like a body chemistry scent, so it's a little vanilla, a little resinous with sandalwood, and I think a lot of ISO-E to really kind of project your own skin scents, kind of in that ISO-E era. So that's what I would try. Aura by Angel. I have 1 and 2. 1 is amazing, but try 2. That's what I would do. That's what. Check it out. I'll put the link down in the bio. I actually have a link for everything down below. All right. Ooh. Okay, so how do you enter the giveaway? To enter this giveaway, all you have to do is share a screenshot of you listening to this episode or giving this episode a 5-star review, or this podcast a 5-star review. Screenshot it and DM me on Instagram. That's one. And for an extra entry, leave a review down below on Spotify. On Spotify, you can actually leave comments. So comment which of these fragrances you really, really loved, and anything else that you want to say about the podcast. That's all you have to do. Show yourself listening and share, or for an extra entry, leave a comment on Spotify. That's all for today's Bougie Things You Need to Try. This is so fun. I feel like it's a great way to connect with you and share with you and literally share products with you and recommendations. See you next week.